Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie pastry dough. First, ensure all your ingredients are very cold. Combine 2 and 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, add 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small cubes. This cold butter is key to a flaky crust. Gently toss the butter with the flour mixture until coated. Now, using a pastry blender or your fingertips, cut the cold butter into the flour mixture. Work quickly until the butter pieces are about the size of small peas. Gradually add 1/2 cup of ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently after each addition. Stop adding water once the dough just begins to come together. Overworking the dough develops gluten, making it tough. Once the dough is formed, divide it in half. Gently flatten each half into a disc about 1 inch thick. Wrap each disc tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 days. Chilling allows the gluten to relax and the butter to firm up. When ready, roll out one disc on a lightly floured surface to about 1/8 inch thick, rotating often. Carefully transfer your rolled dough into your pie plate. Trim any excess dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch overhang, then fold it under and crimp the edges as desired. Prick the bottom of the crust with a fork to prevent bubbling during baking. Bake according to your recipe's instructions for a golden, flaky crust. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.